How much does it cost to paint a car? You might anticipate paying more or less depending on the type of preparation work required and whether or not you want a finished result that is showroom quality. A car can be painted for between $300 and $4,500 on average. The price of painting your car will be greatly influenced by a number of different variables. You may boost your car's resale value and take pleasure in driving with a quality paint job. So, let's learn how much does it cost to paint a car. Though those are the words of a quitter, you may give up and simply purchase a new car. All that's left is a car in a different color, or colors, than the one you started with because the paint has been damaged over time. The alternative, far matured option is to have the car professionally painted or to do it yourself to bring it back to its former splendor. Fresh paint can restore it to its former state and rekindle your passion for it, whether you want to go with a different hue or simply want to update the current color. When it comes to how your car appears and how well it stands up over time, a fresh coat of paint may do wonders. After the job is finished, you'll drive away satisfied if you visit a trustworthy paint shop and make sure you understand the entire procedure. You need to be prepared for a range of costs when you bring your automobile in for a fresh coat of paint. Basic, you can typically acquire a fresh paint job for not much money as long as the car has no dents or dings that need to be hammered out or filled. You should budget between $300 and $1,000 for a basic paint job on your car if very little bodywork or prep work is required. Knowing what kind of quality to anticipate is a good idea even if you're only getting a minor touch-up. However, if you are given a very low price, make sure to inquire about details like the paint's quality and whether a warranty will be provided. High-end. The best and most striking paint jobs are those that are high-end or custom. However, they also cost more, with many of them costing between $5,000 and $20,000 on average. These paint jobs typically have up to 24 coats of paint and can include striking, eye-catching components like metal flakes or color-changing paint that will set your car apart from the competition. If you take good care of it and keep it as out of the weather as you can, the paint quality with a work like this will also be considerably higher, so you can anticipate it to endure for many years without chipping or fading. Bodywork. A professional paint job will include sanding, a clear coat, and other finishing touches to give your car the greatest appearance possible. To achieve the kind of high-quality paint job you probably want, the majority of ordinary paint jobs require some sort of bodywork. Even if the cost is somewhat higher than that of a straightforward paint job, the finished product will be far superior and offer you a higher quality finish that you can be proud of. You should budget between $1,000 and $4,500 for a regular paint job with some minor body work to remove corrosion and smooth the surface. Paint quality. Standard colors like black, gray, and white are far less expensive than specialty colors when it comes to color's impact on price. Additionally, if you select one of the uncommon hues utilized by high-end automakers, be prepared to pay more. The cost of the complete paint job will also depend on the paint quality. Paint with greater durability and quality costs more than average for the industry. However, it's typically well worth it because you won't need to repaint your automobile as frequently, if ever. For an average-sized automobile, one coat of synthetic enamel paint might cost between $300 and $700. On the other hand, several high-quality coats of paint can cost $3,000 or more. You must also take into account any further paint applications or artistic additions you may desire, considering adding racing stripes. You'll frequently have to pay a few $100s more. Size of the vehicle. The cost of the paint job increases with the size of the vehicle. The price of a paint job will also depend on the size of your car. A full-size truck or SUV, for example, would be far more expensive to paint than a small coupe. The latter vehicles require more painting because they have a larger surface area. Finishing touches. Keep in mind the finishes. Many auto painting businesses may offer to wax or seal the paint on your automobile after the job is finished. Although it won't cost you much, a normal wax finish will possibly increase the ultimate cost by another $100 to $200. Expect to pay considerably more if you request that the car body shop employ a ceramic coating or other, more sophisticated finishes. However, despite the fact that they could be a bit pricey, such additional coats or specialty materials can greatly increase the durability of your car's paintwork. If you have the money to spare and don't want to repaint your automobile anytime soon, getting a coating or finish is not a bad idea. Overall quality. Naturally, the desired paint job's quality will have an impact on the asking price, sometimes significantly. For instance, if you hire a professional painter, you can be sure that both the paint and the painters will be of the highest caliber. The project should have a stunning final appearance. On the other hand, if you use a cheap paint provider, you may anticipate cheap results. Quality of the shop. Working with a shop that has a good reputation will cost much more than working with a shop that is recognized for doing subpar work. However, even if it costs extra, you should always make sure that you are bringing your car to a reliable shop. Any store you are considering visiting should have internet reviews so you can see what previous clients have to say about the caliber of their service. To determine if they will meet your expectations, you can also inquire if they have a portfolio of prior work. Consider your painting goals before choosing between professional or do-it-yourself painting. Are you painting the car for a fast cosmetic fix before selling it, or are you working on a restoration passion project? A damaged car's value may increase slightly after a do-it-yourself paint job, but it won't actually get better. It is possible to paint your own car, but it takes time, talent, and a variety of paints and materials that you might need to buy especially for the job. You might not get the high-quality automobile facelift you want from your own paint job. The ideal candidates for do-it-yourself paint jobs are older cars or all-terrain vehicles that frequently sustain dings and scratches. Employing the services of an auto repair shop is typically a better idea for consumers wishing to restore a family car or collectors the automobile to its original state, because professionals there may apply up to 24 even coats of paint for a high-gloss, long-lasting finish. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.